Start by cutting cardboard into 3 equal pieces. Remove backing from each piece. Glue pieces down onto cardboard. Then glue coffee sticks in between each dresser drawer as shown. Next, cut away excess coffee sticks and cardboard. Cut to pieces of cardboard, measuring the length of the dresser. Cover exposed edges with paper. Glue sides on. Cut then glue down 2 pieces of cardboard for the top and bottom. For the backing, glue dresser down onto a piece of paper, and then cut away excess paper. Cover top and bottom with paper. Paint as shown, using acrylic paint. Glue down crystals onto dresser drawer. Use metal craft wire for the legs. All done. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching.